So going forward on GJ, then we need price, a close above here, then we can give us a continuation. That is step one. Then step two, what we can do on GJ is looking for an avenue whereby we can have, now clearly we have our change of market structure here, this low, this high, but here is concerned for me, here is concerned, this low, this has equal low. So we come back to that low, we don't recover. So this place now, buy opportunity, we commence this base. So we look for a buy. We look for a buy here. So we look for a buy there. Our stop loss, couple our stop loss in case the price, in case market wants to break here. So, but when it come here, I will advise, let's see a bullish evidence before we buy. So that because of this equal low here, but I'm not seeing price. I'm not seeing price because it create this. We have this and we have this massive immediately rejection and break this high. So this place need to hold. So if you are buying here, you can put a stop loss below this wick here or this place. That should be on the, let's say we are buying from this other block. We can make that will give us about 35 pips in that way. So, but we need to see a market, a bullish evidence here before we buy. So GJ, we will go up on GJ. We still have all this place, this gap, and our projection is still intact. Our projection is still intact. So, but this was a massive. So we see a rejection, anything around. So all we need now is to wait for what? A solid pullback on GJ. Since we missed another entry from here, this place will be a good entry for us. So we'll be around 200 pips profit now. But since we missed that, a pullback, the continuation, that's for GJ. UJ, yes. Now UJ is very, very, we'll look for a buy opportunity on UJ, please. We'll look for a buy. You can see price fail to do what? To close below this zone. So that zone, you can see now, this is a zone that price failed to close below. That shows that bullish on UJ is seeing that. So say I'm bullish on UJ and looking at, let's connect this low. So okay, so price has given us a clear liquidity sweep in that manner. Let me delete all this so that I can see clear pace to work with. So now GJ, so we have price. You can see yesterday, even yesterday, this guy refused to close below the trend line, even this low. Will have be a sell? A sell will be if price close below this low, then a pullback, then we'll have come back to this base. But failure for price to close below this zone, it shows that our bullish is still intact. So let's drop to smaller time frame. Let's go to an hour and look for entry. So we need to look for entry in 1 hour now. So I just need, what I need now is a pullback. It's a pullback, then we can get entry. So we can get entry. So let's wait for a pullback around, let's see, is there, let me delete this. Don't need this. So between this place and this place, so there's a kind of FG here. FG that's playing here. So from here now, we'll look for what? A buy opportunity from this. If price come back here, so we look for what? A buy opportunity from that region. So all eyes on UJ as price is coming. There's a news. Now I'm not in any trade. So there's a news by 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. So, but the 1 p.m. is the most sensitive one. Again, last month, it was negative. So this month, last month, the two was negative. So let's see. So maybe that news will give us entry as price is coming to. So we'll begin to wait for a reaction of UJ here and we'll buy. So if we buy, this place will be our draw of liquidity. So when we buy, let's say we buy anything around there, our target should be this place. Draw liquidity is this place. This pool must be filled. Forget story. So we have a good place to swim to. So that should give us, let's say we buy from here, for example, that we have about 300 pips to swim to. So put your eyes on the UJ. So that is UJ for us. That's UJ for us. So we can see now that UJ is not like GJ. We do not have equal low on UJ. So we have this low, price came, then give us this low. So now we can say we have a divergence. So we have a higher high now forming. So I'm not seeing price coming back to take out this low again. Rather, price may react anything here. Even let the news even negative push price, then it will be an opportunity for us to buy UJ, because that one will just be, the news will just shake market for some period of minutes and market will balance back again. So this is a very good setup that we need to watch out for as the news is coming. The another KJ, let's see Gbpjpy, which is another interesting one. Okay, Gbpjpy. So this one, we can see now that our bullish is still intact. Price did not work. Take out this support or demand supply. When I say price, yesterday push, you only push price to do what? To come and respect all fair value gap needed to be respected. You can see the only fair value gap that is here. Look, everyone here, no fair value gap has been completed. No, here, there's no single fair value gap, no here. It has been filled. But there was this one, and price has come now to it. So going further, how do we get entry on this guy? So 50%, I see price coming to 50% of this week. 50% of that week. Anything here. So anything there, we'll be looking for entry for that. All this thing will be next week, maybe Monday. So we'll look for entry, anything around there. So as price is coming, we'll begin to wait for watch out for reactions, price reactions to that effects. So already, so we are, as price coming here, there is this imbalance that is here, that price will come and fill and before going up. So UJ, Gbpjpy, they are very good for us to watch out for as price is coming to that range. So we have this high as a draw on liquidity, though this thing is massive. So level, if we want to look, the concept of a premium and discounts. Okay, so we are we are to buy from discount now, at least to target premium, anything here. So even let's say anything from here, you can maybe anything here you can exit. If you buy there, that should be, let's say we are buying from here. I think we'll see have about over 100 to 200 pips to go. That's a good place. So we are looking for what? All we are looking for now is buying opportunity on this guy. Okay, so we need price. Now, prices has not swept in neither Asia high or Asia low. So we can't just jump into the market now. So let's wait. The news can come now, push price there before we going up. The deeper price come for us, the better is for us. As long as the price is not close on daily basis below this low here, this demand area. So the lower the price come, the better for us to buy and we ride. So this place is must hold. That place. You can see this 115 is more hold for price, but we need a pullback. I think that we at least even maybe back to this resistance here. That should be around 100 pips there about. Let's say we are buying from here back to this place. That's over 100 pips. So it's a good place to go. So eyes on that, eyes on that. Okay. Now let's now go back to DSY. DSY. Oh, DSY. So we can see even yesterday, price failed to close below 104. So it's not now with this action, it doesn't mean that we are totally bearish on dollar, because as long as this place still, then anything can still happen until we have a daily close or weekly close below here. Then that okay, before when I say okay, the next target is this place. But as long as this place is holding, then we are not totally bearish on dollar. So now the reaction of the news will not determine what will happen today. So maybe news should push price down, then before bullish evidence on USD dollar, on DSY, I mean. So that's for that. So that is for that. So now that we are seeing that price is currently coming down to sweep Asia low, so the news will determine what the reaction. If the news is positive, I would say bullish evidence, then we can look for it to sell Euro USD. Now, I sold here yes, as I announced yesterday that my entry was here. So it peaked, it not hit my stop loss. My stop loss was somewhere here. Yes, about 35 pips. But I have this win and I exit here because I discovered that this morning that price will still go back. I think I went out about 20 pips thereabout. So you can see now. So we are back to that base now. So we are back. So Asia low now is clear. So now, for now, if this place should hold price and we begin to see a downturn in price, so we have this high, this now. So this place will become what? A place that we'll be looking for a change of character for us to sell Euro USD. So we need a momentum that will come down, use the fair value gap there for us to sell Euro USD. So for now, nothing to do, no information. Price is respecting this place. We are pushing. Even if it not give us a buy after breaking this high, there's no buy, there's no any action for us to buy. So this thing just move up. This thing just move up. So we look for a sell. We are seeing on that zone. We are seeing here on this supply. This supply is still holding price. So under 1 hour, if price now sweep this place, this low in 1 hour time frame, so that would be a very good that okay, that supply will hold. So if we have price break bands, boom. So because there are a lot of liquidity that is residing here, people that are buying from here, that bought from here, that stop losses here. So as price break out, retest, people, they'll put their stop loss here, then a sweep. So price will sweep liquidity here. Price will sweep the liquidity of those people that are doing breakout trader. Then maybe here we'll look for a sell opportunity and sell. So let's see, anything can still happen after 1:30. GU, this one just fly to the moon. So let's look at it on, this one is extremely bullish. I must tell you, this guy is bullish. It's bullish seriously. It's bullish seriously. So, and this is draw liquidity that this guy is coming to. And this bullishness is continuing. That is the draw liquidity. So I will advise that not able to sell this guy. The best is to look for opportunity to buy the guy. So that is a draw liquidity that this guy is coming to. The only thing we can look for is a pullback to buy. It's a pullback to buy. A price come back to all this base, then we look for a buy. But for now, nothing. So we don't need to. So USD card. USD card is sitting on respecting that demand, is rejected from this demand area, this other block. So, and the structure before us is that we are still more bullish, but price is ranging. We are in a range market, you can see. So 4 hours will give us a clue if to go up or down. So we need a clear movement. If we want to go up, since price is rejecting from this demand area, you can see all this low. Liquidity has been taken care. We have equal low. Then this guy swept because I rejected. So we need, what we need now, we need this high to be taken on 4 hours. I will only deal with this guy on 4 hours, not smaller time frame. So we need it to be taken there. We can say, okay, we are going up. So 4 hours, this is a draw of liquidity for us and this place. So we have a 4 hours that clear out all sort of the liquidity here, all this high. It close above those highs that will give us wait for institutional reference and buy. So that is card for us. USD chef. I was setting a buy limit here, but it has not come to it. Setting a buy limit. You can see we clearly sweep liquidity and price return back. So now we should aim a bullish run on this guy. So going to 4 hours. So if we look at 4 hours, we have change of market structure from this high. If I bring the indicator self, I think we print it out. So you can see even, I don't need to use indicator before I know all these things. You can see, so we have market structure shift there. So now I've looked what is happening here. All these places are liquidity. The price is forming liquidity for us to do what? So this is liquidity form. So now and from low to this high, and we have this imbalance that is here. So price coming to this zone will be a very good to buy from. Then this will be our drawn liquidity if you are buying. By that time, will not give us like inverse head and shoulder, then we can buy. That's that. Gold. Gold. I'm still seeing a push on gold because the all-time high liquidity, you can see price has not. I was waiting for price to sell liquidity here the way it did here. Then will have give us a sell view. But failure to do that, we can still look for a buy on this guy. Two ways that we can look for a buy is whether we buy from this base as price come here in 15 minutes, look for buy or evidence you buy, or if you have a deeper sell, then I will love to wait for buying here. Yeah, this imbalance is still open. This liquidity is still reciting. That is one. And then I still have a lot of trend line liquidity forming here. So that is, so I'll be love to buy if price come here. This imbalance, sweep this liquid, price sweep all this liquidity here, mitigate this place, then so that place is will be a very good place to buy gold from. So gold now I can only envision for a buy. Because we are seriously bullish on gold. So this one I'll be taking care with it. So price has given us a break of structure here. So pull back, look for a buy. AUD USD, we are still waiting for a buy on this, for a pullback, then for us to buy. So nothing is really happened on that. SZD USD, I don't like. There's no good price formation here. The two of them, they are weaker family. So NAS is bearish to buy new. So NAS is bearish to buy. I know most of us we don't trade this, but in case we have some people that is trading it. So let's see how if NAS push to that place. These guys, it's better to just position yourself for a buy. You can see this was my first projection, and this is second projection that this guy is coming. I've marked it. You can see from here I begin to track NAS gradually, and then you can see it's coming to that zone. So any pullback is a pullback to buy, not to sell. But all these things demand patience, the ability for you to wait until that market come to you. I think waiting is good. So it make you to enter a good trade if you can wait. Euro USD. Wow, this is another good trade for us. It's another good trade for us. You can see price. You can the JP, like as Mr. Kuma said, that they purposely push price. USD purposely push price down, so to give JPY power. You can see now all the JPY and what they did. See, let me just tell you what they did. They know that they want to buy JPY, but maybe they want to add to their position, or they want to add to that position, but it's too high for them to what? To able to jump in. They need to bring it down. These are market maker manipulations. They need to bring it down for a discount level for them to do what? To able to enter. That's all what's playing out yesterday. Imagine all the institutional traders that be holding trade from here. Now, they want to add to position. All they do is to bring price down for them to do what? To be able to add to their position. And you can see that price never take out this support here. So what do? We have to watch and then wait for our eyes to open to follow them to buy when they are ready to buy it. So this one now, any pullback, now to enter. First, you can see a pullback. This low, I would have prayed this low to be swept. So let's say they give us a little discount, so that our stop loss can be low here. We will not have a wide stop loss. You can have anything that push it down. Then we'll jump enter. Then this play will be our first draw liquidity. Then this plays back. So this now, I would love to see this left shoulder, this right shoulder develop. To buy from this right shoulder. So this one I develop. So maybe from this zone. If price can come to this zone like this, wow, that would be opportunities for us to jump, to enter these guys. So our stop loss will just be in this low here. It's still wide though. It's a very fast pair. That's about 85 pips. Then we can target this play about 300 pips. So that is what I'm seeing. So patience is needed. I will just pray that they can decide to push it up. That will be a missed entry for us. We can't buy here. If we buy here, nowhere to put our stop loss. You can't buy here and put your stop loss too wide. It's better they let this leg form a right shoulder for us here. It will not be left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. Then we can buy. So this is where I want to buy from. So as this thing is going, I think today's Friday. So trade safe after the market. Let's watch what opportunity. Likewise, UJ, we need price to come to the right here for us to buy. DJ is already moved, but we still want price, a discount for us to buy. So these are the major favorable pairs that we can buy now. We can look for a buy opportunity, UJ, GJ, and Gbpjpy. Then, before we go, AUD is strong, Usdjpy, the same concept. So please open your eye to all those trade. It will be a very good opportunity for us to do what? To get a buy next week. So we opportunity for us to get a buy next week as price is coming back for a discount. For price rejecting here, I tell you, price is not coming back to this low again. I tell you, not all we can see is put back for us to continue. Or if price break here, retest, continue. So that is it. So I would love price to return back to this base for me to buy.